Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox. An error occurred while starting Roblox Studio. Details HTTP query info failed with message not found. Let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the first step, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here clean mgr and then hit the enter key. Now here C drive will open. Now make sure you check mark each and every option available right over here. Once check mark all the options, hit the OK button. Wait for the process to finish the files. Now once it is completed, go ahead and relaunch the game and check if you are still getting the issue of an error occurred while starting Roblox. Now if you are still getting the crashing issues, let's proceed with the third step. First of all, if you are using FPS Unlocker, make sure you uninstall it. Yes, make sure to completely uninstall FPS Locker. After that, open up your browser and I have a website. From here, you need to download Roblox Account Manager. For that, scroll down and you will find the option of latest Roblox Account Manager. Click on it, scroll down and you need to download this zip file. Click on it. Once it is downloaded, open the folder and unzip both the files onto your desktop. Now once you unzip both the files, run RBX Alt Manager by right clicking and choose the option run as administrator. Hit the more info option and then click on the option run anyway. It will start to update first, and once it is updated, it will go ahead and launch it. If anything is not available, it will go ahead and automatically install it for you. So make sure you hit the yes button. Now here is the Roblox account manager that is opened right in front of you. Now here's the trick. Again, open up your browser and open the Roblox website. From here, you need to create an alternate account. I know you already have a main account, but you need to create an alternate account right onto this Roblox website. Once you create an alternate account, now go ahead, right over here, click on the option add account. Go ahead, log in with your alternate account. Yes, log in with your alternate account. You can see I am logged in with an account. Now suppose if this particular account is your alternate account, now again click on the option add account. This time you need to add your main account. Make sure this time you add your main account. Now once you are logged in, right over here you are welcome with two accounts. First one is your alternate account and second one is your main account. Now go ahead, launch the game using your main account. Just select the account and click on the option join server. Once you hit the join server, Roblox game will start it to launch and help you fix out the issue of an error occurred while starting the Roblox. Now if all this method fails, in last step, right click on start menu and choose the option run. Type here lusrmgr.msc and then hit the enter key. This will open a new account for you. Click on the option users, right click and choose the option new user. Give it a username. Let the password option blank and hit the option create. Now close it. Now once you expand users, you will find an account with the name Lotus that we have just created. Now click on start menu, click onto your account name and here you will find the newly created account. Go ahead and click on it to log in onto the new account. Now once you logged in into a new account, go ahead and reinstall Roblox in this particular new account, and this will completely help you fix out the issue of an error occurred while starting the Roblox. Yes, as of now, creating a new account and then installing Roblox in that new account is the only option to help you fix out with Roblox crash. So this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.